Hey, what's up? I'm going to do a little tone demonstration on this Keith Nelson, Paul Reed Smith Singlecut. It's equipped with Paizo, tomato, bridge. So I'm going to start out with the Paizo sounds. The little mini toggle here, you can mix the Paizo and the P90s, but I'm just going to put it on the Paizo bridge just to show you what kind of acoustic tones you can get. We're playing through JCM 2000 through a 212 Dr. Z cab that's loaded with, what the fuck are those called? The 70th anniversary Celestians, I think that's what they are. Something like that. So, okay, all right. This is the Paizo pickup clean. So that's the Paizo bridge sound that you can get out of this. And then when you flip this mini toggle all the way down, then that switches it back over to full magnetic pickups. And these are Fralin P90s with a 15% overwind in the bridge. And this is just clean right now with some delay and a little bit of reverb. Neck pickup clean. And the controls, these two, that's volume tone for the neck pickup, volume tone for the bridge pickup, and then I explained the Paizo control earlier. All right, this is where it gets fun. We're gonna throw some monster OCD overdrive here.